The new iPhone SE is here. You can pre-order now and it's out on Friday. So let's unbox this thing. And if you have questions for me, leave them in the comments below because I'm still working on my review for this guy. Product Reddit in the past has always helped AIDS, but this version, the proceeds are going to Global Fund to fight COVID-19. This is the body of the iPhone 8 with updated internals. So you have the A13 Bionic chip, which is the same processor of the latest and greatest iPhone 11s. The biggest difference is the price tag. This is $399. So starting at $399 for the 64 gigabyte option and $449 for the 128 gigabyte option. This is the smaller version of the iPhone 11 Pro. As you can see, it is smaller than that. See, you think I got ready today. Well, just on the top half. Still in sweatpants.